Alright guys, welcome back to the Hidden Grottos. Today we're going to be teaching y'all how to build Tinkaton, which is this one. This is what it's going to look like when it's done being built. So, first thing you want to do, like I have already, is tear out all your supports. And with these two pieces right here, you're going to have these squares back here. You're just going to want to take your pliers and get back there and rip that out. Sometimes it comes out easier, sometimes it's a little bit harder. Anyways, we're going to start with this base piece right here. So you have this bottom piece. Notice the bottom piece because of the N3D and it's flat right there. So first thing I'm going to do is we're going to take this little black piece, edges up. And we're just going to take a little bit of glue. Just glue around the side of the bottom layer, and we're going to stick that on just like that, as you can see. Now, we're going to take this little clicker here and just kind of wedge it in there. Now that we have our clicker in there, it's time to add our button. So we're gonna take this, put it in here, and just, you know, like always, you wanna have the long side going across, and you wanna have these two little things on the side here, so that way, you know, whenever you put it in, and take up and get in these little notches right here. Push it down in there. There she is. Now we're going to take this piece and this piece. And we're going to take this piece right here. Barking, your doves. Sorry, recruit doves. Little. I don't even remember. Okay. So I'm gonna take this little piece and add two little strips of glue on each side. You don't want to do it in the middle because we got the clicker, and you want to keep it clicking. Let that sit on there and dry. There for now. All right, next up, we got these little side pieces right here. So we're gonna figure out which one of these little pink pieces fits on. There's two each, or two pink pieces for each side. So there we go. So now I know which two go in there, so now we're going to take both of those out. And add some glue in these little crooks right here. And we're just going to put them in. Just like that. the same thing for your other side. Find your other two pieces, figure out which nooks and crannies they go in. Right there. Figure out how they go in there. And perfect. Alright. Sometimes you force around. It's on a good day's work. Now you're gonna take this little piece right here, and you're gonna obviously test fit it like we do everything. And it's just gonna sit right on top of this little piece right here. And same thing on the other side. Now, take these. You're going to want to add a little bit of glue here, here, and here. And what you're going to do is you're going to kind of just force that in there. Boom. And once again, same thing on the other side. Triangle right there. And a bing bang right there. Now we're gonna get these little ear pieces, and like we did with those other pieces, we're gonna figure out which ones fit where. So these two go on this ear just like that. I'm gonna take one out. A little bit in the crooks and a little bit in the bottom. And same thing on the other side. Oh shit. That's a don't right there. Oh, put too much glue. So it'll start coming out. You don't want that. Get your fingers all sticky and it's not a good time. Alright, so now we're done with the base right here. We're gonna start working on the hammer. Now the hammer has a bunch of little parts that you glue together, and you know, you'll see what I'm talking about. Right here, we're gonna glue these two little guys together. So we're gonna do this nice little triangle. Hold it there till it dries, and together until it's stuck together, and then these two pieces go together. Right. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this little square right here and put it on these. However it fits. You wanna get it all in there evenly. There we go. I'm just gonna do a circle, glue around this. And stick that one together. And then you got this little piece right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put glue down in these little grooves. And it's gonna slide into this little piece right here. See that? It's gonna go just like that. And now, this one goes on this side, because I don't think this one. Okay, yeah. So where the hole is deeper, right? It's got a little hole right there, but where it's deeper on this side is where you're gonna put this piece. So, I'll put your glue in there. And bang. There it goes. And, oh yeah, that goes around like, okay, yeah, okay. So now, I'll take the big piece and, oh my gosh, that's way too much glue. Take our paper towel and stick it down there. Get some of that out. Okay, so now, as soon as you got this little white piece. I'm just gonna two very light dabs of glue. Wipe that off and pull the loose and wipe that off. Got it. This is why I don't want to use too much glue. Anyways. Put glue in that little hole right there. I'll take this piece. Shove it down in there. Take these two pieces. Actually, no, first you're gonna take this piece. See how it's got that indentation in that. Alright. Bows on there together. Glue in there and shove that in. I keep actually putting too much freaking glue. We're gonna re-glue this, try to re-glue this piece. It didn't stick very well last time. That should just stick in there like that. And gotta find that right angle where it goes in. My bad, guys. I didn't mean to knock that ear out right there. We're gonna go ahead and re-glue that. Just gonna. Oh my gosh! Some glue in there. Some glue in there. And pop these babies in. Push them down a little bit, make it hold. Throw that hammer in there. And boom. That's how you do build the Tinkaton Pokeball by N3D. Thanks for watching.